This is Harish Gaupale. Welcome to my channel Technology of LabVIEW and Automation. Guys, in this video, I'm going to explain you examples based on while loop. So let's move to the screen. Now, first I will do the addition of two numbers. For that, create while loop, go to the function palette and then go to the structure and then select while loop and drop here. Okay. Now click right and then go to the function palette and then go to the numeric function and select add and kept here. Okay, change the position of this while loop. Now create controllers, create X controller, change the position, create Y controller, change the position. Similarly create indicator, that is X plus Y. Okay, now you can see this is loop condition, create controller to this loop condition. Okay, and also we want to see the iteration, so create an indicator to this loop iteration, create indicator. Okay, and change the position. Okay, now right click and then go to the timing function and select wait and create constant and enter 1000. Okay, 1000 milliseconds is equal to second, because so now come to this front panel window and change the position of this Y controller, then X controller, and then stop button. Similarly change the position of these indicators. This numeric indicator. Okay, and then select all the controllers and indicators and then make it size large by click on this control and is equal to. Okay, then increase the size by horizontally, Y controller, then result. Okay, then stop it. Now change the name of this numeric to iteration, ITERATION. Okay, click on this run button. You can see iteration after every 1 second. Now make changes in the input values. Okay, and see the result. I can say that this is the beauty of LabVIEW, that we can make changes easily in this code while running condition. Now gives point values, that is 48.76, and see the changes in the result, 19.56, 19.67. Okay, then increase from 2021. You can see the result. Why I'm giving point values? Because right now the representation of these controllers are double data type. Okay, now click on this stop button and change the representation of this X controller to the integer. Similarly with this Y controller also change the representation from double to integer. Similarly with this indicator. Okay, I32, and then click on this run button. Now you can see the result. If I'm trying to enter point values, for example 56.90, so you can see point values not accepted by this controller. I'm implementing on this Y controller 48.23. You can see that means point value is not accepted by this controller. Why? Because right now the data type is integer. That's why this controller is not accepted the point values. Okay, now click on this stop button. Now guys, I want to explain to you with others arithmetic tools also. So for that, click right on this addition tool and go to this replace option and then go to this numeric palette and replace with subtract. Okay, now come to this front panel window and change the sign from plus to minus. Okay, and then click on this run button. Now you can see 57 minus 48, that is 9. Increase the X controller and see the changes in the result as per iteration. Okay, minus 29. Then now click on this stop button. Now replace this subtract to multiply. Go to the replace and then go to the numeric palette and then subtract by multiply. Okay, now click on this run button and change the input value, that is for example 10 multiplied by 12. You can see the answer, that is 120. Okay, then also increase the controller X, see the changes, then click on this stop button. Okay, now replace this multiplication to divide. Go to the replace and then numeric palette and click on this divide. Now guys, you can see the red dot this on this terminal of X controller, similar on this terminal of Y controller and this indicator. Okay, so this red dot is called as node. Okay, whenever we try to connect two different types of data, then this type of node occurred, and we know that whenever we divide two numbers, then definitely we will get a result in point values. Okay, and the point values comes in double data type, and right now the representation of this X controller and Y controller is integer data type. Okay, and this divide tool has its own representation in a double data type format. That's why these three nodes are occurred here. Okay, so what we need to do, we just need to change the representation of these controllers. So click right and change the representation, that is double from integer to double. Similar with this Y controller, change the representation from integer to double, and same with this indicator also, change the representation from integer to double. Now you can see the both of three nodes are missing. Now change the name of this multiply to divide, divide. Okay, then click on this run button. Now you can see 22 divided by 7, that is 3.14286. As I change the controller as per iteration, you can see the result. Okay, then that is 13. 15 divided by 30 is equal to 2. Then increase by 1, that is 16. You can see the result. Okay, now click on this stop button. Now right click on this X controller and click on this view as icon. Similar with this Y controller also, click on this view as icon. With this indicator also, view as icon. With iteration, view as icon, and with this stop button, view as icons. Now select the while loop, click on this while loop and click Control plus U, that is cleanup diagram. Okay, now come to this front panel window and select all the controllers and indicators and change their position. Okay, now change the background of this front panel window. Click right, go to the properties, and then go to the background, then browse, Click on this browse option and select which you most like from your folder. Right now I like this. Okay, so now click on this OK button. Okay guys, so I think it is enough for this session. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you really like this video or if you learn something new today, then give this video a like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friends.